Hi friends, it's Friday. It's Friday, June 1st, 2018. We have 1 week of school left. Woohoo! Then we're on the countdown. So, you're viewing this recording because Mrs. Love is not here today, and I want to give you some quick instructions about what you should be doing for your history class today. You do not need to log into a live class session, but you do have things to do. The first thing you have to do is to finish your Q4 Common Assessment if you have not. This is our old log on screen. Down here is the code for our test, but I have a link in our class announcements. If you go to your online school, just click on the link and you will be able to get into your test. I would do my best to finish this test today. We will not have any more time in class to work on this. I explained to you yesterday why this was so important. You do not want to skip this. Do your best. Once you have finished the assessment, I have another activity I would like you to do. If you finished it yesterday, you should go to the next page. If you have not finished your Common Assessment, I want you to just stop, close this recording, and get the Common Assessment done. But before you do that, remember, I'm counting attendance for today based on you working on your Common Assessment or doing the next activity. So if you're thinking, I will just say I did my Common Assessment and she won't know, I will know. All right, once you finish your Common Assessment, here is today's work for you. You're going to log into your BrainPop account. You don't need a link. You can just go to brainpop.com or search BrainPop in your Google Drive, and you'll be able to find BrainPop there. You are going to choose one of these videos. They're all about music. Choose any one that you want. You're going to watch that video, and then you're going to complete a Google form for me so I know that you actually did it. It's going to ask you questions about the video you watched. The link for your Google form is in your class announcements. Okay? That's it. Super easy. Remember, you must either log into your Common Assessment and work on that, or you must do this BrainPop activity and submit your Google form in order to be counted present for today's attendance. If you want to do both, you are welcome to do both. If you have any questions, these slides will be available in your class announcements as well. You can go back and review the slides. After that, have a great weekend. I will be back on Monday, and I'll see you all then.